Cascade Drilling is the largest water, environmental, and geotech drilling company in the U.S. Cascade has a premier safety program because we have to due to the type of work we do. So we're using Motive today in a lot of ways. When we first started with Motive in 2017, our whole objective was strictly to check that compliance bucket. And then we also wanted to make sure that we could do a DVIR, or Daily Vehicle Inspection Report, in the app. And Motive checked those boxes. And so we wanted to make sure something that was easy to use for the drivers, because that was the #1 thing. And so we've deployed the dash cams, and we've seen a significant reduction in incidents. We can use that to better predict and to better counsel, hopefully then preventing accidents. As Motive continued to innovate its platform and add safety and fuel and other things, Cascade began to use those tools. And it came in very handy for things like the California Resources Board reporting for where your trucks are and did they come back each night. We could have never done that before. We were using just a traditional MasterCard type fuel card. We wanted to see if there was something better. And the Motive card showed that it has additional features, and additional savings. So not only now does the card integrate with the app, we're able to obtain true documented direct savings to the bottom line. So the Motive card works differently than some fuel cards in that you use the app to activate the card. It's one login, one website, all in one. Things like IFTA reporting or tax reporting. We found that we saved something like 800 hours a month compared to just using the data. And a lot of the information does correlate. If somebody's doing a lot of hard braking and they're getting bad gas mileage because you're seeing it at the same time, you can then take action on that. I would describe it as a partnership. I mean, we have vendors and then we have partners, and Motive is very much a partner.